When it comes to improving the look and feel of your Lafayette home, many homeowners immediately think of landscaping, paint, or exterior decor. While these elements certainly make a difference, one upgrade often overlooked has one of the most dramatic impacts: door replacement. Your front door is more than just an entryway. It sets the tone for your home's style, creates a welcoming impression, and even influences your property value. Replacing old, worn doors with modern designs can significantly boost curb appeal while providing practical benefits. Making a first impression that lasts. The front door is often the focal point of your home's exterior. Guests, neighbors, and potential buyers notice it immediately. An outdated, faded, or damaged door can give the impression of neglect, even if the rest of the home is well kept. By investing in a new entry door, you instantly refresh the face of your home. From sleek modern designs to timeless wooden styles, the right door can transform your exterior, making it look polished and inviting. For Lafayette homeowners, where neighborhood charm is highly valued, a stylish new door can help your property stand out. Enhancing architectural style. Every home has its own character, whether it's traditional, contemporary, or a blend of both. Door replacement allows you to complement or even enhance your home's architectural style. Classic wood doors can highlight historic or traditional Lafayette homes. Fiberglass or steel doors with clean lines suit modern and transitional styles. Decorative glass inserts add elegance and natural light, creating a welcoming glow. Choosing a door that matches your home's architecture not only boosts curb appeal but also creates a cohesive look that enhances the property's overall design. Adding value to your home. Curb appeal directly impacts property value. A beautiful, well-installed entry door can make your Lafayette home more attractive to buyers and appraisers. In fact, studies show that replacing a front door is one of the top home improvement projects in terms of return on investment. For homeowners planning to sell in the future, this simple upgrade can set your property apart in a competitive market. Even if you're not selling, knowing that your investment increases your home's value provides peace of mind. Improving energy efficiency. New doors aren't just about looks. They're designed with modern insulation and weatherproofing technology that can help keep your home more comfortable. Older doors often warp or lose their seal, allowing drafts that impact indoor temperatures. An energy-efficient replacement door keeps conditioned air inside and hot or cold outdoor air outside. In Lafayette's variable climate, this not only improves comfort but also lowers utility bills. Enhanced efficiency adds another layer of appeal for buyers and homeowners alike. Boosting security and peace of mind. Curb appeal is about more than appearance. It's also about how safe and secure your home feels. Many modern doors are built with reinforced frames, durable materials, and advanced locking systems. These features not only improve security but also add a sense of strength and quality to your home's exterior. Visitors and potential buyers alike notice the solid, welcoming presence of a secure door. A finishing touch for landscaping and exterior upgrades. If you've already invested in new landscaping, lighting, or siding, replacing your doors ties everything together. Imagine a freshly painted house and trimmed lawn paired with a dated, peeling front door. It sends mixed signals. A new door completes the picture, giving your home a polished, intentional look that truly elevates its curb appeal. Final thoughts for Lafayette homeowners. Door replacement is a simple yet powerful way to refresh your home's exterior. It creates a lasting first impression, enhances architectural style, improves efficiency and security, and increases property value. Whether you choose a bold, modern design or a timeless classic, a new door brings charm and elegance that neighbors, guests, and potential buyers will notice immediately. If you're ready to boost your home's curb appeal, consider starting with the front door. With the right choice and professional installation, your Lafayette home can make the strong, stylish statement it deserves.